My keto journey, the pros, the cons, and how to succeed. What if I told you that one decision could change your life? For me, it was starting the keto diet. At first, it felt impossible. Could this actually work? But something clicked. I wanted health, confidence, and growth more than comfort. That's where my keto journey began. Starting keto wasn't easy. Cutting carbs meant saying goodbye to old habits, and let's be real, my love for bread. The first week felt like climbing a mountain, cravings, keto flu, and self-doubt. But I reminded myself, every great story comes with a struggle. And I was writing mine. Slowly, I began to see changes. I had more energy, the scales started moving, my clothes fit better. Those small wins kept me going when doubt tried creeping in. Each day taught me that showing up, especially when it's hard, is how we grow. Keto isn't just about shedding pounds, it's about unlocking strengths you didn't know you had. One of the biggest pros? Energy. I felt sharper, like my mind had gotten an upgrade. Meal preps became easier, and I didn't miss the carb highs and crashes anymore. The diet also gave me control. Watching my meals in progress showed me that I could reset habits that once controlled me. The confidence of achieving these smaller victories bled into every area of my life. It made me feel unstoppable. But let's talk about the cons. Keto isn't a magic solution. There were days I struggled. Social gatherings? Tricky when pizza and desserts are staring you in the face. The restrictive nature of keto sometimes felt isolating. And don't get me started on those initial cravings. Another truth? It's not cheap. Keto-friendly meals and supplements can add up if you're not mindful. Still, I realize that investing in myself and my health is priceless. Challenges will come, but they're never bigger than the vision you hold for yourself. Want to ace your keto journey? Start with realistic goals. Don't aim to lose 20 pounds overnight. Focus on creating habits. Prepare your meals in advance. Always keep keto-friendly snacks handy. Trust me, they're lifesavers when hunger hits. Hydration is your best friend. Drinking water helped me battle cravings and stay on track. And don't skip the electrolytes. This step eases the dreaded keto flu. Find satisfying, creative recipes to keep your diet fun. Boredom shouldn't have a seat at your table. Your environment matters. Surround yourself with people who inspire change rather than hinder it. Keto forums, social media communities, even friends who might join you. These allies in your journey will keep you going when motivation dips. And remember to extend grace to yourself. Slip-ups happen, but the key is to get back up and keep moving forward. Progress, not perfection, is the goal here. You are allowed to grow at your own pace. Keto wasn't just a diet, it became a metaphor. If I could conquer my eating habits, what else could I tackle? This journey reshaped how I viewed challenges, shifting my mindset from I can't to I can and I will. My journey became about more than weight. It became about worth. I found that weight loss was only the beginning. Every pound lost was a reminder that I could embrace discipline, courage, and self-care. This wasn't just about looking better. It was about discovering who I could be when I prioritized myself. You have the power to choose change, just like I did. The keto diet was my tool for transformation, and it can be yours too. Don't let fear hold you back from a healthier, stronger version of yourself. It's never too late to begin. Are you ready to start your journey? Commit to one small step today. Research a keto recipe, join a support group, or write down your goals. Take action now and watch how one decision can create a ripple effect of positive change in your life. The best version of you is within reach. Go get it. Check out the links to the products I use to make the journey easier in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in my next video.